What's going on, insiders? It's Harrison here from the attic of my in-laws over the holidays, here to bring you the rapid rundown version of the Xactimate price list update summary here in January 2024. There are 13 new line items that were added to the Xactimate price list in January, so let's take a look. Starting off here, we have 6 new line items in the WTR category for drying via cubic feet. Now, we've had line items in the past, which I'll quickly jump over to show you a preview of the changes this month. WTR Dry 1, Dry 2, Dry 3, these were all drying by square foot bid items. Now, new this month, we have 6 new line items for drying by cubic feet. These are all bid items, and the line items are spread out between Class 1, Class 2, Class 3, Class 4, climate controlled and non-climate controlled structural drying by cubic feet. Next, we have 4 new line items, 2 in the fee category, 2 in the HMR category around samples and testing. We have lead per sample line items, and we also have combined test fee for a full service survey base fee for in both the fee category and the HMR categories. And lastly, the modular barbecue island in the SPE category, line item BQI for a modular barbecue grilled island. That's the 13 new line items that were added to the price list this month in January 2024. Be sure to tune in later this month when Team Actionable is back from holidays and we put on the full price list update summary version where we talk about how to use these new line items as well as explain what changes happened to existing line items in the price list this month. Thank you.